I searched how to buy shares of Envirotech Vehicles Inc. to demonstrate the process. Envirotech Vehicles Inc. makes electric commercial vehicles and related infrastructure, and it trades on NASDAQ under the ticker EVTV. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to your account. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker EVTV to find the listing. Then select the result that matches Envirotech Vehicles Inc. and the NASDAQ market. On the stock page, check the basic company details and view the price chart to confirm this is the correct Envirotech Vehicles Inc. listing. Verify the ticker EVTV and the exchange. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will be queued for the next session. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before finalizing. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio and you can monitor it there. Check the description for the link if you want to follow the same example.